By Whitsunday and Huntlytown, it's there I did agree. With Bogieside O'Kearney, is 6 months for to fee. To drive his 2 best horses, likewise his curtain blue, and to do a thing about the farm that richt well I could do. Now Bogie had a daughter whose name was Isabel. The flower o' her nation, there's nane her could excel. She had rosy cheeks and ruby lips, and hair dark as dew.